Hey YouTube, PNW Picker here. Hey, it's been a long time. It's been about 3 years. For some of you know that I transferred to Canada, and I'm still in Canada 3 years later. And so I haven't had a chance to do a lot of reselling up here. I mean, there's still some opportunities, but not as many opportunities to do that. So I'm going to transition my channel a little bit, but don't worry, resellers, you'll still get a lot of value from this channel. Basically, I'm going to start doing finances, investing, passive income, and just different ways to generate wealth and generate income for retirement or just for down the road for disposable money. And that can really help you, in the reselling when you have your profits from the reselling, that you can transition and create accounts and create retirements so you can retire. It's one thing to make some okay money doing it, but you need to be able to turn that money and turn it into something. So again, this is what I'm going to transition to. I'm still going to do reselling down the road, but for now I want to concentrate on giving you guys value in the investment and finance sector. So first video I'm going to talk about is M1 Finance. This is one that I am starting just today, so I wanted to do a video on this one so you can see day one and you can come along for the ride. There's plenty of other things I am diversified that I have been doing for a while, and I will do videos and updates and reviews on them coming up. But I wanted to do this one first, like I said, so you can go down the journey with me. So let's get into it. And first off, I want to just do a small disclaimer. I'm not an investor, investment advisor, investor expert. This is what I'm doing. Don't do any investments based on just what I say. Do your own due diligence and invest within. I have done research on the M1, and now I just put money into it today. I started with $500, and today is the deposit happened today, and it put me into funds today, so I'll show you these funds now. These funds are I'm just my starter funds. I'm basically heavy in the S&P, and then just a couple other funds here. Let's go over it real quick. So basically, a little background on what M1 Finance is. It's basically stocks, indexes. You can follow the market, but the good thing about M1 is you can start as little as you want, because it puts you into fractions of a shares. If you don't have enough money to buy a full share, you can buy into a $1,000 stock and you can get a fractional of the share, so you can still get involved in many of these big stocks that you normally would not be able to. So let's talk about it. So these are the 4 funds I'm in currently, and it basically breaks it into pies. This is a pie of my investment. So basically I got 4 pies right now, and then you got basically stocks and inside of each pie. So, and then you can diversify there. So basically, I'm heavy into this top one, 55%, 20%, 15%, 10%. So the first one I'm in that I'm heavily involved in is mainly the S&P 500. This is just a starter. This is to see how it goes. This is more of an aggressive one. Has a lot of the Vanguard funds in, which do very well. Monthly, this is one I'm going to dedicate to high yield dividends, basically create good dividends, and these are mostly monthly dividends. So once, during the month, I'll get a dividend for this, so I can generate income that way. And my last one is just the bigger stocks. I got just a couple of the big ones: Apple, Amazon, Nvidia. And again, you can see how this distributed me today. Today was a good day to start because it's an up market. So I'm, already up, $1.50 total or $1.43 total right now. It keeps on changing. And all my funds are are green today. So 0.21%, 0.07%, 0.49%, 0.80%, which is not bad for a day. And I don't have that many funds in here, so as I continue to grow, it will be better. So let's talk about. Well, I'm going to keep this one short and sweet. I just want to talk about M1 and the different things you can do. It's mainly diversity, and you can create as much as you want from it. So I highly recommend this one. So far, again, I did a research before, but today was the first day going. So let me show you a little bit of that, how it worked. So I put $500 in, and it invested into the ones that I had highly weighted first, and then it'll go into the other ones after. So it created 20 buys, and it just distributed into each one. So as you do more, one thing to note, you need $10 in your balance for it to buy new shares each day. So one kind of pro tip on here, if you do have a lot of dividend stocks, a lot of people do, you like $10 deposits daily, and that will automatically reinvest you every day, and it'll cost generate a cost basis and compounding. So I'm not doing that. I have $125 starting each Monday that'll be going in. So I'm gonna put $500 a month in this and see what goes, and I'll reassess as I go. So that is a quick review, and today is day one. So I will do further updates with you on this, and I hope you like it. I think it'll be good. And that being said, I mean, if you do like this, want to start, I do have a link below that'll give you $10 to start investing when you deposit $100. So it'll give you $10 free dollars to invest with. And that being said, thank you guys. Miss you guys. The videos will get better. I'm a little rusty, so this video might be a little bit rambling on, but take care, guys, and see you next time. Bye.